Welcome to Celebrity Investing, your go-to source for insights, tips, and updates on navigating the exciting landscape of personal and global finance. Now let's continue by exploring the important factors to consider before investing in high-growth industries and how to approach these opportunities with a long-term mindset. Automation and robotics are transforming manufacturing, logistics, agriculture, healthcare, and warehouse operations. Businesses facing labor shortages and rising operating costs increasingly invest in automation to improve productivity and efficiency. Robots now perform tasks ranging from manufacturing vehicles to packaging products and assisting surgeons during complex medical procedures. As robotics technology becomes more affordable and capable, demand may continue expanding across industries seeking higher productivity and improved operational efficiency. The financial technology industry, commonly known as fintech, continues reshaping how people save, invest, borrow, and transfer money. Mobile banking, digital payments, online lending platforms, financial management software, blockchain applications, and AI-powered financial services continue changing the financial landscape. Consumers increasingly expect fast, secure, and convenient digital financial services. Companies developing innovative financial solutions may continue finding growth opportunities as digital finance becomes increasingly common worldwide. The data center industry has become increasingly important due to the rapid growth of cloud computing and artificial intelligence. AI applications require enormous computing power, creating greater demand for advanced data centers capable of processing and storing massive amounts of information. Large technology companies continue investing billions of dollars into expanding their computing infrastructure. Businesses supplying equipment, cooling technologies, networking hardware, power management systems, and construction services for data centers may also benefit from this growing demand. The space industry is gradually becoming more accessible to private companies. Commercial satellite launches, satellite internet services, Earth observation technology, and space communications continue expanding beyond government programs. While this sector remains relatively specialized and carries higher risk, technological improvements and private investment are creating new opportunities in satellite manufacturing, launch services, navigation technologies, and space-based communications. Long-term investors often monitor developments in this emerging industry as commercial space activities continue evolving. Agricultural technology, often called agtech, is helping farmers produce more food while using fewer resources. Smart irrigation systems, drones, precision farming, artificial intelligence, automated machinery, vertical farming, and advanced crop monitoring technologies improve agricultural efficiency and sustainability. As the global population continues growing, increasing food production while protecting natural resources becomes even more important. Companies developing innovative agricultural technologies may benefit from rising demand for sustainable farming solutions. The education technology industry continues evolving as digital learning becomes more common. Online courses, virtual classrooms, AI tutors, educational software, corporate training platforms, and interactive learning tools continue expanding educational opportunities worldwide. Businesses increasingly invest in employee training and skill development, while schools continue integrating digital technology into classrooms. Companies creating educational platforms and digital learning solutions may continue benefiting from lifelong learning trends. Digital entertainment continues growing through streaming services, gaming, virtual reality, augmented reality, and interactive content creation. Consumers spend increasing amounts of time using digital media across multiple devices. The gaming industry, in particular, continues generating significant revenue through mobile games, online multiplayer experiences, esports, and virtual goods. Companies involved in game development, digital content creation, streaming technology, and immersive entertainment experiences may continue benefiting as consumer preferences evolve. The logistics and supply chain industry continues modernizing through automation, artificial intelligence, warehouse technology, and advanced transportation systems. Global commerce depends on efficient supply chains that can deliver products quickly and reliably. Companies investing in warehouse automation, delivery optimization software, inventory management systems, and smart logistics technologies may continue experiencing growth as businesses improve operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. One important lesson for investors is that a high-growth industry does not automatically guarantee high investment returns. Even industries with strong long-term potential can experience periods of volatility, economic uncertainty, changing regulations, and increased competition. Some companies become industry leaders, while others fail despite operating within fast-growing markets. Successful investing often involves researching company fundamentals, evaluating financial performance, understanding competitive advantages, and maintaining a diversified investment strategy rather than relying on a single industry. Risk management remains one of the most valuable skills for every investor. Diversification helps reduce the impact of poor performance from any single investment. Long-term investors often focus on businesses with strong leadership, healthy financial statements, sustainable competitive advantages, and products or services that continue meeting customer needs. Patience is also important because many high-growth industries experience short-term price fluctuations even while maintaining positive long-term trends. Keeping up with technological innovation and global economic changes can help investors identify future opportunities before they become widely recognized. Reading company reports, monitoring industry developments, understanding consumer trends, and continuously learning about emerging technologies can improve investment decisions over time. Rather than attempting to predict every short-term market movement, many experienced investors concentrate on industries with strong structural growth that may continue expanding over many years. As 2027 approaches, industries such as artificial intelligence, cloud computing, cybersecurity, renewable energy, healthcare technology, automation, semiconductors, financial technology, data centers, agricultural technology, logistics, and digital entertainment are expected to remain among the sectors attracting significant global attention. While every investment carries risk, focusing on industries supported by long-term economic and technological trends may provide better opportunities than simply following temporary market excitement. Careful research, disciplined investing, and maintaining a long-term perspective remain some of the most effective strategies for building wealth regardless of changing market conditions. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content.